Shenzhen Si-Pon Technology Company Limited is located in Shenzhen, China. We have our own holding factory and are a 3D printing consumables manufacturer and supplier. King Rune is Si-Pon's most popular brand. Our mission is to make every creation easier. And main products cover 3D printer filament, 3D printer accessories. Found in 2016, with 9 years of development. We have self-developed many stable and cost-effective 3D printer filament, such as PLA, PETG, and TPU series. Furthermore, we also have provided many comprehensive 3D printing solutions to schools, enterprises, as well as individuals. Our factory has a monthly production capacity of over 60,000 rolls. Equipped with a 24-hour non-stop professional test line and strict quality system, we greatly ensure product quality. We always take quality as a priority, focus on making the best 3D printer filament with high performance, and offer the best service for everyone. And our customers cover Europe, North America, Australia, the Middle East, and other regions. Moreover, we have won the favor of commercial purchasing customers. Our products comply with CE, FCC, and RoHS standards. And we support OEM and ODM service.